Valentine's Day comes early this year for S-Class lovers.
The 2019 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class was revealed ahead of its world premiere at the 2018 Geneva Motor Show next month.
It goes on sale in the US.
In the late summer if you are looking to trade in last year's model. The top Mercedes model gets a new grille with vertical struts, optional two-tone paint, and more flavors for 2019. Mercedes says a pinstriped suit was the inspiration behind the new grille, the same idea that inspired the Vision Mercedes-Maybach 6 we saw at the 2016 Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance.
The 2019 Mercedes-Maybach S564 packs a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine that delivers 463 horsepower and 516 pounds-to-foot of torque.
It has the same specs as the 2018 model and also has a claimed 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 4.8 seconds.
Also like last year's model, the 2019 Mercedes-Maybach S650 6.0-liter V12 engine carries over and continues to offer 621 horsepower and 738 pounds-to-foot of torque.
If you tell your driver to step on it, you'll hit 60 miles per hour time in 4.6 seconds, according to Mercedes.
The new models roll on 20-inch multi-spoke wheels that are available in 3 exciting variants.
An optional two-tone paint treatment is available in 9 color combinations with a double clear coat, a must if you don't want to be caught rolling up to an event in the same drab limo as every other 1%er.
Inside, there are 2 new exclusive color combos, Armagnac brown/black and Savannah beige/black.
Black Napa leather is available in a choice of copper, gold, or silver top stitching.
The Mercedes-Maybach S-Class is 215 inches long and has a wheelbase of 132.5 inches.
It exceeds the long wheelbase S-Class sedan by almost 10 inches in both dimensions, and lucky rear passengers get even more legroom to stretch out in.
Executive seats are standard as well as extended interior ambient lighting in the rear cabin to help set the mood.
Pricing hasn't been announced yet, but last year's Mercedes-Maybach S564 started at $168,600 and the Mercedes-Maybach S650 starts at $198,700.
Expect to pay a bit more than that for the 2019 model, but if you have to ask,